this is Jason, just here with another inspection tip. Walking around up here on the roof on this great morning here, kind of looking at the chimneys today. So when looking at this chimney, some of the things that we see is one, you got an open surface right here. As you can see, this one here has a cap and spark arrestor and everything on it. This one should have the same things. These chimney flues should be covered and sealed up so that way no moisture or anything gets down inside of them. Because water tends to deteriorate these from the inside out. Along with that, as we come around here and just looking at this cap here, see it's got a whole mortar cap. You can see all these little cracks and stuff that are starting in here. This is where moisture is going to get down inside of the chimney as well. These should all be completely sealed up, sealed all the way around to keep any moisture outside of your chimney, because moisture is the one thing that damages a house most. So thanks.